You do not need to code to build a real AI automation this weekend. I'm going to show you exactly what to build, which free tool to use, and the 5 mistakes that waste beginners' entire first week. First, what an AI automation actually is. 3 parts: a trigger, an action, and now, an AI step in the middle. Something happens. A form gets submitted. The AI does something smart with it. Then an action fires automatically. 3 tools actually make this possible for a total beginner right now. Let's go through them honestly. Zapier's free plan gives you 100 tasks a month, but only 2-step Zaps. Paid starts at $19.99 a month. Its AI features: AI by Zapier for writing and extracting data, and Copilot, which builds the automation for you from a chat prompt. Make.com gives you 1,000 credits free, but caps you at 2 active automations. Paid starts at $9. Make's Visual Builder is genuinely more powerful once you outgrow the basics. That's the trade-off for its slightly steeper learning curve. N8N is free and unlimited if you self-host it. But that means setting up your own small server first. Here's the honest advice. Start on Zapier or Make. Save N8N for once you already know what you're doing. Every one of these tools has a real free tier. You can build your first automation today for exactly $0. Here's Zapier's actual template gallery. Thousands of pre-built automations you can copy in one click. You don't even start from a blank page. Let's get concrete. 5 automations any beginner can actually build this weekend. 1. A form gets submitted. AI drafts the reply. It lands in your inbox ready to send. 2. A new email arrives. AI summarizes it. The summary posts straight to your Slack. 3. You add a row to a spreadsheet. AI writes a caption. It posts itself. 4. Someone orders from your store. AI writes them a personal thank you, sent instantly. 5. A task lands in Notion. AI reads it, tags the priority, assigns it automatically. This is N8N's own template library. Over 10,000 ready-made workflows. Same copy and edit idea, more power once you're ready for it. Pick one of those 5. Not all 5. 1. That single choice is where most beginners already go wrong. Which brings us to the 5 mistakes that actually waste people's first week. Mistake 1. Trying to automate the whole messy process on day 1 instead of just one trigger and one action. Mistake 2. Mixing up the trigger and the action. The trigger starts it. The action is what it actually does. Mistake 3. Testing with perfect, clean sample data. Then it breaks the second reel. Messy data shows up. Mistake 4. Thinking you need to learn to code first. You don't. The real skill is connecting accounts correctly. Mistake 5. Not watching your task or credit limit, then getting cut off mid-month with 0 warning. None of these mistakes are about intelligence. They're about pacing. Slow down, and they mostly disappear. I run automations like this myself, every week for my own product. This isn't theory. It's literally part of how I ship. One real example from my own stack. A new sign-up triggers an AI personalized welcome email. Automatically, every time. It took about 20 minutes to build. It has run thousands of times since, without me touching it once. That's the actual promise here. Not some sci-fi AI takeover. 20 minutes now, saved every week after. So here's your actual weekend plan, in order. Sign up free. No card needed for either tool's starting tier. Open the template gallery. Don't build from a blank canvas. Copy something close, then edit it. Run it 5 times with real inputs before you trust it. That's the whole difference between a toy and a tool. That's it. That's genuinely the whole barrier to entry right now. And it's smaller than almost anyone thinks. One more honest note. The free tiers are real, but they're not infinite. Budget for $9 to $20 a month once you're hooked. And skip any blog post promising you a magic beginner success story with no name attached. Those are usually made up. Trust the actual product docs, the real template gallery, and your own 5 test runs. Nothing else. This is a genuinely good weekend to start. The tools got easier. The AI step got smarter. The excuse got smaller. Quick recap. Pick Zapier or Make. Pick one example. Copy a template. Test it on real data 5 times. Build it. Then message me your first automation. I genuinely want to see what you make with your first free 20 minutes. If you want the deeper version of this, real money, real numbers, that's next week's video. I'm Dex. No code, no excuses, 20 minutes. Go build something. See you in the next one. Subscribe if this actually helped.